Hello everyone. So let's today make a cheesy sweet bread omelette, guys. So because this is monsoon again, so we are in the monsoon season and sitting at home in this corona season as well. So let's quickly make something very fast again with because we make hot and spicy things. But today now I'm going to make something sweet because kids like sometimes even they want like French toast like that. So a kind of a small twist is there. So we would make a nice cheesy sweet French toast. So for making this we need eggs, 2 eggs. This is butter and this is cheese. I have finely chopped like this, cut into pieces, and this is sugar and this is bread. You can take either white bread or brown bread. So let's quickly make this. For making this we need we need to break the eggs. So here there are 2 eggs. So in this we need to add sugar. So it's up to you how much sugar you want. So I'm adding half bowl of sugar here, and then let's beat this nicely. So then we'll add cardamom powder. This is cardamom powder. I have very little of cardamom powder I'm adding. If you want, we can add milk also. Let me beat this properly, and then let me add cheese. So I have cheese here, and I'm adding good amount of cheese, guys, because cheese gives a very nice texture to this. So with the help of the fork, because sugar should be melted down, that is the reason why we need to beat it properly. If you want, you can add more cheese. Let me add some more because we have cheese lovers at home. So I'm adding more cheese into this. It becomes fluffy also. So if you want, you can add milk, as I said, guys, but I'm not adding milk here. This is how just this is done. Whisk properly, and then now let's take the bread. So let's again, with the help of, I have a cutter here, I'm making a shape into this bread like this. So this is the flower shape, and there is this is another shape. We're taking it out now. Take butter and heat the pan. Apply some butter onto this nicely. You need to add good amount of butter, and then put this bread over here, even this one, the next one here, and to this here we need to add these. Before you add this, whisk it again properly, and then add into the every portion of it. So this is, so add it slowly, guys, don't rush, and make sure the pan is in very low flame, because sometimes it comes out, no worries, but see, this is not coming out, but here it is, so no issues. So we can add little more. So because the pan is not straight flat, that is the reason why, because this is a dosa pan and sometimes it comes out. So no issues, but this is good, you can see. And you can increase the flame here, and you can apply some butter onto the sides of this. so that we can, you know, put it onto the top of it, of the bread again. So this, so you can move and check like this. When this, it's very delicate, guys. It's very delicate. If you add milk again, it becomes more you know, watery kind of a thing, liquid. So I do not add milk here. So to this, if you want, we can even close this by, you know, the same thing, this one, or you can just, you know, if you have this or the remaining balanced, you can dip like this and you can add it here like this as well, so that we don't waste it. And kids like this because they like the shapes, so they would like this if it is in nice shapes, guys. So it won't take much time. It's a very easy and fastest recipe again. So because everybody has bread at home, and because it's available very near to us, to the stores near us, so we get the bread. And also, you know, so you can just flip it over and flip this also, because it's almost looks like cooked from one side. And now I'm going to, yes, because the cheesiness, the cheese in this nicely melts down, and you know, it gives a very nice texture to the bread and taste also. So I'm turning it around, and it becomes fluffy because cheese, you know, it has a fluffy kind of a texture, and it gives very good taste to the bread. And also egg gives very good, the combination of egg and cheese is wonderful. So this is how. Here you can apply some butter, because if you have unsalted butter, it is good. And if you don't have unsalted butter, you can apply some ghee on this. So this is like a French toast, and it's a cheesy, buttery and fluffy, and you know, yes, it doesn't matter, you know, it's brown because this is brown bread, so it's turning a little more brown. So don't worry, guys, it's quite normal, because we want the egg to be cooked from inside. And also, you know, the sugar would be melted down nicely. And this is how it is done. It is done. Even this is done. And this is the smaller one is done, because egg doesn't take much time to get cooked. So we'll remove this. You can see it is cooked. So when we eat, we feel that how nice this is, because we are not wasting this bread. We are not cutting the sides, because it gives nice texture again. And in between the bread and the you know, how we made at the center, you know, cut it down, it gives a very good shape to this bread. So this is how we take it onto a plate and we serve it. If you want, just kids loves this a lot, so you can try making this. You can see the shape of this here as well, the flower cut. So because it has sugar, so no need to worry that why it is like the shape. So as I told you, even this is good. So I want it to be cooked for more little time, then I'll remove this. So this is how it is done, and it tastes amazing and yummy also, because it is a cheesy sweet French toast. So this kind of a thing is there brown. This is like caramel, like the sugar got caramelized and the color changed like this. Tastes wonderful. So thank you for watching my video, guys. Thank you. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.